think happened wasn't properly fitting, because when I try to resheath it, went straight through it, right through there. Let me tell you, that is 9 ounces of leather. I should have never went straight through that. And that beaver tail, it's insanely strong. Now I can't even pull it out. Watch me cut myself. So that's what happened, but looking at the threading and everything, held pretty good. Insanely clean cut. Beaver tails was even clean cut. But this is all a learning experience. Not sure what to do about it. Scrap. But yeah, you know the knife is sharp.